everybody. So it's actually been a little while since I've done a video. I've had a lot going on lately, and as a lot of you guys know, she's been sick, but she's back on the truck with me. We still have a few things out with her to find out exactly what all is going on, and I got to try to get her over to the vet here soon again. So I'll update you guys once I know something. Right now my student's driving, and he's actually almost done. We've actually had a pretty good solid week this week and last week. Got a lot of miles in, so that's been very productive, and he's actually pretty natural on backing. So yeah, he's going to be upgrading here soon. I got a few other things I've been wanting to try to do videos on. I don't want to kind of list them all right here right now, but I do have some new content coming, and later on this year there's going to be some changes. And then in oh yeah, so beginning part of March I'm going to be talking with a director in Swift. We're actually going to be doing a video together in Lancaster. The date is pretty set, but the date's not completely set yet. I don't know how many hours of footage I'm going to end up recording, but that might end up being like 1 to several videos, don't know yet. But if you do have some questions that you would like, to be answered, post them down below, and I'll bring those with me, and maybe have some of those answered. So yeah. Anyway, so yeah, that'll be beginning part of March, and then I got another video I kind of want to do. The podcast thing, that's kind of on hold right now due to, money I got to come up with for her, and some of the other projects I got going on right now. So it's just, it's been a process, right? But I've been really working hard these last several weeks. I got to get with my accountant again for my last year's taxes, and I've been putting a game plan for this year. And yes, I know it's kind of late in this year, but the plan has changed a lot from when I first started. So that's why it's not just a simple, oh, okay, well, yeah, this is what my game plan is. But there's some really exciting news coming. So yeah, that's that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I promise there's some more content coming. I actually have to try to get underneath this tractor and do some stuff. So yeah, you'll see that too.